Welcome, and let's talk about YouTube short videos versus TikTok short videos. How can you make money with YouTube short videos and TikTok short videos? Now, let's do a comparison between these two. Just remember and have this in mind as you watch this. YouTube just announced that from February 1st, short video creators can now monetize their YouTube videos just like every other videos. Those have actually monetized their YouTube videos that have been accepted by YouTube ads. Okay, now imagine getting your short videos on YouTube being monetized, adverts will start pumping up on your short videos and you'll be making money. Remember, YouTube pays a lot, but remember the short videos, there's so many things involved in this, and short videos always get much views than normal videos. Okay, now YouTube send me a mail because remember I am monetized. I have 2 YouTube accounts that are monetized and I'm going for the third one, but I received a mail on my 2 YouTube account that from February, in fact this is going to start from mid-January, but from February 1st you can now monetize your YouTube short videos. Shout out to YouTube. This is a good news. I believe every YouTube short video creators will be happy to hear this, and I believe this is going to have, in fact this is going to bring a lot of competition between YouTube short videos and TikTok short videos creators, because I can see many TikTok video creators moving on to what YouTube, because right now you don't need gift card, you don't need any other thing to make money on YouTube short videos. All you need to do is upload and YouTube will start running short adverts on your videos and you will start making good money for this. Now let's compare these two. To me, well, remember for YouTube short videos you still need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short video views within the past 90 days, or you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time for you to be eligible to be part of YouTube monetization program. Now for TikTok, remember there are so many ways you can make money on TikTok. For example, when you join TikTok Creating Fund, people can actually donate, people can fund support, okay? And also TikTok, you can sell merch to your fans, and also on TikTok you can also go live and collect virtual gift cards, okay, and virtual gifts. Then on TikTok you can also partner with influencers or other brands in the TikTok creator marketplace, okay? And also on TikTok you can create in-feed ads with the TikTok ads manager, okay? And also on TikTok you can also crowdfund projects by collecting donations from fans. And also on TikTok you can collect tips from your audience, okay? And let's say if you don't have a specific project in mind or aren't ready to offer eligibility to investors, crowdfunding platforms might not be the ideal avenue to take. For a fast and easy way to accept donation, consider using a tipping platform, okay? And also on TikTok, start a Patreon and offer fan subscriptions. These are ways you can make money on TikTok. Why that of YouTube? You can make money once you have reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch hour or 10 million views. But remember this, TikTok monetizing your TikTok videos is not available in all countries, okay? It's not all countries that this is available. I think it's available in countries like US, UK, Italy, just few countries. And also you need 10,000 TikTok followers and also 100,000 TikTok views. Now let me explain this in full detail. Number one, to start making money on TikTok, you must be at least 18 years of age, fine. Then you must be based in the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, or Italy. You must have a minimum of 10,000 followers. Your videos must have reached 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, and then your account must adhere to the TikTok community guideline and terms of service. These are ways they will fully accept you on TikTok, okay? So I believe comparing these two, I think YouTube will be the easier way, because YouTube, all you need to do is just gain that 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 hours watch hours or 10 million views in the past 90 days. Then you'll be part of YouTube partner program. So once you get short videos, adverts will start pumping in and you will start making money. YouTube pays you directly to your account every 21st of every month. Okay, so it's a good one. So for me, let's keep hoping that these two eventually make us so much money. So whichever way you choose to make money, be it YouTube short videos, be it TikTok, remember there are so many things, but it's not easy, because so many people will tell you it's just very easy for you to just start a YouTube videos or start a TikTok video, you start making money. It's not that easy. You need patience. Now for me, comparing these two, I think it will be easier for you to make money with YouTube short videos than TikTok short videos. So many people are on TikTok short videos right now, and remember one thing, that TikTok short videos, you still need so many things. You need like 10,000 followers and 100,000 TikTok video views in the past 30 days. Why that of YouTube? I know you need about 10 million video views in the past 90 days and 1,000 subscribers. But remember, once you are part of YouTube partner program, you will start making money with that. You don't even need any advert from any brand. You don't need any partnership for someone to pay you money or donation. Even if you want to do that, you can still do that, but I mean, automatic, you will start making money with YouTube short videos once you are part of YouTube YPP, YouTube Partner Program. Because what they do is that once they put adverts on your videos, you start making money they start paying you directly to your YouTube ads account. Then once it's 21st of every month, you will get your money directly paid into your bank account. Okay, so this is how you make money with YouTube. I believe that for me, comparing these two together, well, there are two great ways to make money. There are two different ways entirely. YouTube have its own pattern and TikTok have its own pattern. But if you ask me as a creator, because I've been monetized by YouTube, I have 2 YouTube accounts and I'm going for the third one. They are unmonetized. Now what I can tell you is that YouTube is actually the best for me. I did a video when I talked about YouTube and Instagram, how to make money between YouTube and Instagram. But to me, I think YouTube still beat Instagram. But right now, let's talk about TikTok short videos and YouTube short videos. Like I said, YouTube short videos, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch hours within the past 12 months, or 10 million views within the past 3 months. That is that 90 days. Why that of TikTok? You need 10,000 TikTok followers and 100,000 TikTok video views within the past 30 days. Remember, this is not available for every country, but we can still make money by selling some product on TikTok, or by TikTok gift, virtual gift, and so many others. So choosing any of these, I would advise you can try the both. Anyone that is easier for you, anyone that is easier for you to make money, you can actually focus on that particular one before start talking about starting the other one. So you need to focus on one in order for you to really focus and make money fast and get monetized fast, or start making money with TikTok fast. Remember to subscribe in order not to miss our next video, because here we talk about how to make money online.